Sometimes I would think, man, well, maybe I should just sell this beat. Maybe it's too good for me. Maybe I shouldn't try to rap anymore. Maybe I should have just, you know, kill my dreams. And at nighttime, just to go to sleep at night, I had to sit up there and just be like, man, I know I can do it, and build it up within myself. I build a force field around myself, and I'm confident in the areas that when I walk into the office, you can't tell me shit. My shit is hot. You don't know. You know what? I could have let these dream killers kill my self-esteem, or use my arrogance as a stain to power my dreams. I use it as my gas, so they say that I'm gas, but without it